Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo online account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove an authorized user from your Wells Fargo online banking? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an authorized user from your Wells Fargo online banking anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with various VAs or contractors, maybe even an accountant or bookkeeper, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Wells Fargo online banking. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online banking account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an authorized, there's two different ways you can do it. The easiest way is click on your name here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on Manage Access. Once you do that, click on Use Account Access Manager. If you don't see that for some reason, you can click on this white menu bar right here on Security and Support, and then look for Use Account Access Manager. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. You want to click on Guest Users. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the authorized users that you might have already added. You can see right here. And in order to delete or remove one of them, off to the right, you're going to click on this purple delete button. All right, once you do that, they're going to ask you to confirm that you want to delete this authorized user. If so, click on this red delete guest user button. All right, quick second later, you should see this green check mark confirming that authorized user has been successfully removed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an authorized user in your Wells Fargo online banking, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.